Are you struggling with managing donations and wasting valuable time? Discover how Synder can transform your nonprofit's financial management. Light a Candle is dedicated to helping disadvantaged communities in India and Iraq. They provide essential health services and sponsor children in need. Before Synder, they faced many challenges. Manual donation processing involved complex Excel coding and delayed financial reports. Key transaction details were often missed, leading to confusion. After integrating Synder, everything changed. They now enjoy effortless data mapping and categorization. Donations automatically sync between Stripe, Square, and QuickBooks. Synder ensures accurate, timely reporting. Financial data is synchronized in real time, providing clear and consistent reports, including year-end statements. With automated tracking, managing donor data is easier than ever. Smart rules automatically categorize donations, enhancing reporting accuracy in QuickBooks. Now I don't have to hassle with anybody. The client's saving money, we're saving time, and they get their reports consistently on time, says Christian Bergthold from Light a Candle. Don't let manual processes drain your resources. Automate your donation management with Synder today. Join Light a Candle and experience the freedom of efficient financial management. Act now to save time and money.